Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a PDF editor that I developed inside React.js. It can be used as a nice little passive income tool where you can actually put advertisements and earn a lot of advertisement revenue. So this is actually the application. I'm running it on localhost 8080, and this is a PDF editor, something like Adobe Acrobat. You have seen it's a very nice editor where you can edit PDF documents. So it's a free alternative to that, and you can see here you will upload or select any PDF file. So let me select a PDF file. Here you will see the PDF file. All the pages will be loaded here. You will get this nice little notification, and then you will have a nice little editor right here where you can actually draw something. We can annotate. You can see that we can modify it by putting underlines here. You can even change the color here from this color picker. You can pick any color of your choice. So you can see that you can annotate. Then we have the second option to actually add text. So if you click the add text button, you will be able to add some text right here in the PDF document. You have seen these rich controls out there. You can make the text bold, italic. You can even change or put links as well. So click on insert and you will see the text will be inserted. You can change just the size of the text by increasing it. Then we have the option to add shapes. We can add rectangle, we can add circles as well. So this is rectangle, then we can even add circles, and we can fill these with different colors. So if you want to fill out, you can just click the fill color. So you can fill out these shapes with different colors. Then we have the add image button. So what this actually do is actually you will be able to add images. So you can see we can able to add images as well. So you can adjust the size of this image by these nice little controls. Then if you want to hide something in the PDF document, we have this nice little tool right here, which is whiteout. So what this actually does, it actually you select the portion that you want to hide and it will actually put a white background right here. So now we can't see the text here because we uses this tool here. You can change the opacity of this tool, the size of the tool as well. So then you have the save button. So to save the changes, so page 1 is edited here and saved. And now if you want to export this changes, click the export button that is available right here, and the PDF file will be downloaded with the modified changes right here. So only 2 pages are there, so we made the changes on the first page. You will see all the changes that we made are successfully exported to a PDF document. So this is a nice little tool that guys I developed, Adobe Acrobat clone in React.js, and you can put advertisements and earn a lot of revenue as well if you want to deploy this website on your domain name. So you can go to the second page as well. You can see this is now the second page. You can also view the document right here. You can put any changes, you can put annotate it, you can put shapes, you can add images. So this is actually the source code, guys. I have given the link in the description of the video. You can directly purchase the full source code here. So after you purchase it, you will get a zip file which will actually contain the full directory structure of this React project. Let me show you which dependencies we have used. So we have used some very famous open source packages for building this. First of all, we used the React, which is, if you see, we have used these React packages, and you can see we are using the latest version, which is 18, React 18, so it is compatible with the latest version. And then we have used some PDF related packages. jsPDF is one package which is really popular for PDF manipulation. So it's a JavaScript package, open source library for manipulating PDF. Then we have used also Fabric.js as well, which is also a JavaScript open source package for manipulating graphics. And we have also used Tailwind CSS as well. You can see that. So quite a number of packages. So you will see the full directory structure of this. So each component has a specific file attached to it. You will see that. So each UI component has a specific file here. So it's coded inside TypeScript, So if you know some kind of coding knowledge, you can modify this source code as well and add some additional features as well. So this will be the full source code you will get after the payment. You will see all the pages are there. So now if you are purchased it, you first of all need to install the modules. So just npm I, and just this will create this node.js modules folder, and just execute this command, and after that you can easily run this locally by executing the command, which is npm run dev. So I've already done this. So after that you just need to run the command here, npm run dev. So this will start the development server. You can see it will start your application localhost 8080. So you can actually go, you can see that. So application will start right here, and just select any PDF document, and you can see it will be loaded. And if you want to deploy this, the deployment process is very simple. You build your project by executing the build command, npm run build. So this will build all your assets into a single dist folder, so that you can actually upload that folder whenever you are deploying this application to any hosting. It can be a shared hosting, it can be any hosting. So it's very easy. So you can see it is deploying it for production. So in this way you can deploy this application really easily and put advertisements and earn a lot of passive income. So you can see it is rendering it. So now it has created this dist folder. If you see, it contains the minified HTML. Then we have this JavaScript files right here. So this folder, you just need to upload this and the application will start. And one more thing, if you are watching this, the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com to directly purchase the full source code of this project, which is PDF Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat PDF editor clone in the browser, and it's a static app. It works in the browser. You can use it unlimited number of time. So once you deploy this, you can easily put advertisements and user will come to your website. They will able to edit the PDF very easily. They need to simply select the PDF file right here. So whichever PDF file they select, you will see all the pages will be loaded right here. So it's 23 pages. We have the previous button, we have the next button as well. So go to any page that they want to modify, just add some text. They can even add images. So it's very simple to add all these. You can see that. So they can add a watermark, they can add a text, they can annotate anything, you can draw something, highlight something. You can see that. So all the operations are supported completely. You can see you can hide something. If you want to hide this, you can simply select the portion and this will be hidden. You can hide multiple things like this. Just select and it will be hidden. So guys, the link is given in the description. You will get the full source code. You will be able to run it and you will be able to understand how I built this project from scratch. And if you are a developer, it's developed in TypeScript, and you can see that. So let me show you some passive income that I'm earning from this. I basically approved this tool. I basically deployed this tool on a website that I own. Let me show you the stats for that website. I have ezoic.com, which is also a ad network similar to AdSense. Let me show you the data for this, the passive income data. So you can see on each day I'm earning this passive income by putting advertisements, such as the tools like this that I showed you. You can even put advertisements and also earn. So this is also coming from Ezoic. You can see each day purpose we are earning this passive income. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description. This is a full PDF editor you will get after you purchase it, and we have used these open source packages, jsPDF, if you know, it's a PDF document manipulation library in JavaScript, and also Fabric.js, which is also a JavaScript library related to Canvas. So we have used these open source packages to build this awesome looking PDF editor. So if you're interested, you can directly go to the description and purchase the full source code. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Please check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.